How do I introduce the concept of hijab to my younger sister who decided she will wear it soon in a way that will make her feel confident to wear it?
Fantastic. SubhanAllah. You know, we have such beautiful representation in, there's too many different reasons why we may not want to wear hijab. I think we got to start with that. For some people, they've symbolized, in Western society, it's sometimes very explicitly or sometimes implicitly been, the messaging around it is it's something oppressive, it's something backwards, it's not modern, you're not intelligent, on and on and on. And that's been displayed in many ways in media and movies and ads. Media is all of those, but you know what I mean, in those particular areas. Sometimes within even our own families, our own communities. No, 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 you're not going to be modern. You're not going to be progress. You're not going to be able to progress within, corporate America. You're not going to get married. You're not going to get progress within work or in marriage life. So we have to talk about this subject in a way are you ready, younger sister, to adopt the whole rest of Islam, like another aspect of Islam, hopefully that she's praying. And even if that's not perfect, don't wait for that. But are you ready to adopt another commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to please him? Make it as an invitation. And then she can be like, whoa, hijab, or yes, whatever her reaction is, then get to those doubts. What is it that she's worried about? What is it that she's doubtful of? Kind of undo those unfortunate learned ideas, wrong ideas about what hijab is, and then go from there and then say, hey, do you want to try some out? You want to order some from some of our awesome, mashallah, we have so many different online fashion hijab websites that are amazing, right? When I say fashion, I don't mean that in a wrong way, but in a great way, that they're beautiful. So get her excited about that. Get her excited about buying new clothing that's going to be, hijab friendly, so to speak. It's modest, it's Islamic. I think those are that introduction, are you ready to take the next step in getting closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? I think is a great invitation. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you for worrying about your sister and guide you and your sister and all of us, inshallah.